I turned off the music for this, and now it's just like awkwardly panning on a ship in space. It's so realistic, but
Cortana, all I need to know is did we lose?
oh, thank God I'm not deaf.
We both know the answer to that.
Don't you just love turn of the century graphics?
I remember from this, it used to look like
Cortana.
super realistic, and now it's like super off canny.
Let's
They
give our
don't
old
blink.
friend
Like,
a warm welcome.
I've already begun.
You are the lady.
you saw it too.
Good to see you, Master Chief. Things aren't going well. Cortana did her best. Chance.
Sleep well?
No thanks to your driving, yes.
So you
That's
did.
very sexist. You can't be saying that in this day and age.
It's 2023.
It must have been one of their boarding parties.
Good luck, Master Chief.
Sounds like he got the wind knocked out of him.
Yeah.
I don't keep this low.
Holy shit!
What the fuck? All of a sudden, it's my turn on the Xbox.
He said he doesn't give it loaded. He just fucking dropped it, dude.
Fucking- What is going on? I don't know if that's
Well,
what
let's
those are supposed to look
see how
like.
it goes.
Okay.
How do I? How do I melee?
Ow, what the fuck? Is this even? Oh,
You beat him with it.
what is that? Okay. Okay.
Did you die?
I instantly died.
Light him up! Just fucking throws the pistol.
No, come on. Ooh, got a plasma pistol.
This one's like my new favorite thing. Food fight! Ow! Alright. When in doubt, give him your gun and surrender, okay? I missed. I fucking threw it, I missed.
Cavalry has. What the hell? Did something just hit us? Move in! Back to the airlock!
Oh,
Fuck. Using a kissing gun on me.
ow.
I gotta hide. I'm gonna die. Oh shit, there's grenades, Zach.
Yeah, I see that. I can't fucking. I was surrounded. By...
It's okay. Stand back. I'm gonna get him with this bad boy.
Okay.
Wait for
I
it.
don't have a weapon again.
It's okay. Wait for it. When my shields go down, you know we're good. Oh, he fucking ran. Can't run from this.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
My god.
I didn't mean to do that. You got the kissy one.
What does it do?
It just shoots hearts. You kill him with kindness.
Oh hell yeah.
You kill him with kindness and I'll throw my gun at him. Ah, fuck, you hit
you
me.
stepped in front of me.
You stunned me. You made me go slow. That's good.
I don't know if this.
I'm coming for you.
Oh my god. More.
I thought he stuck me. Oh my god, Zach, are you
He
okay?
stuck me. He stuck me.
You died?
Yes.
I tried to take one for the team and instead, you took one for the team. I'm very proud of you. Take this. I'm gonna take that. This is probably like my new favorite pistol.
Which one is that?
The one that shoots you in the head if you pull the trigger, but you can throw it. Nothing like decking him in the face every time, dude.
F-R-E-E, that spells free credit.
Ow.
You're shooting yourself in the head, dude.
Wait, what?
Oh no, you're holding the. You're hurting me too. Get away from me. Oh my god.
I didn't know where to release it at. They just all killed each other. Oh, there's more.
Ah, fuck. I gotta get used to that. Oh my god. Run, 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 run.
Oh.
I don't even know if we're going the right way anymore. I'm just kind of walking.
Same. Dude, I found an 8-bit gun.
Oh, there you go. It looks flat too.
Yeah. Just stand there.
I need a restroom. I don't even know if it's really okay. You can kill him with it. They come out with their own. Their shields are down.
It's a pissing contest.
Stand back, stand back.
Oh,
So you're running. I'm marking my territory. This hall's mine. This room is mine. That's my pet.
oh my god.
This hallway is mine. This ship is mine.
Life pods are launching. We should hurry.
They're gonna leave us. I'm gonna give them 1 star on Uber.
Yeah.
Oh, they left us.
Warning.
They fucking left us.
God damn it.
Slowing the life pods.
Oh, the pissing gun helps. It will illuminate the tunnel
Yeah.
with my piss.
I have to follow behind you. Just don't turn around on me. You just get them.
Oh, there's a lot of them out there. I'm on low battery.
Pretty good. I think I'm going around.
Oh, I had grenades.
He's peeing on me! Die! Oh! I died. Zach, I died.
Oh, fuck, I'm running.
Start running away. That'll teach him.
That'll teach him.
Oh my god. I have no weapon. I'll let you know how it goes. Sounds all 8-bit.
Yeah. I like your flashlight.
Thanks, man. I really have to go.
Oh my god.
Alright, which way do we go?
I'm
asking
me.
You're a big Halo fan, Zach. Which way do we go? You played all of them.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Please, they're just fucking blocking my way. Okay.
Try aiming that weapon. You scared the shit out of him before I threw the grenade. The Marine shot him. I hope I killed one. Nope. The range on this thing, man.
Oh my god.
Wow. Oh no, oh no. Don't go now. Oh, don't go. No, no, no.
I'm out of fucking ammo and everything. Oh, we got a frag grenade too. I wonder what that does. I think that's the D20 grenade.
Yes, I'm trying to see how we switch our fucking... Oh my god!
I thought I died.
You're good.
We're gonna make it, aren't we, sir? I don't want to die out here.
Look, we're gonna fly right through it. We missed it completely.
Nothing but that.
Nothing but
Be
net.
honest- Chief? Chief, can you hear me? Left.
As I'm just standing there with a fucking assault rifle.
The others.
I'll let you get first dibs on the guns. How about that?
I want to try the shotgun. Why is it? No. I'm taking it.
I'll let you have the shotgun.
I recommend moving into those hills. Alert, Covenant dropship inbound. We must be looking for survivors. I recommend immediate evasion.
Immediate evasion. Alright, let's go straight towards him.
Let's cross the creek and take him down.
Yeah. This is so fucking hard.
Oh, shit, they're here.
God.
I'm gonna need that plasma one. They crossed the bridge, dude. Fuck. I'm gonna die, dude.
Well,
Where is he? Oh, okay, cool. I didn't die. I didn't die.
I died.
I died too. Hey, we're good. Let's go down the hill and fuck him up for what he did to me.
I think both of these guns suck, don't they? Is the other one just a water gun?
Yeah, from Sunshine. Oh, he lived. I fumbled my keys. Alright, I got my grenades. I will use them sparingly.
I mean, when there's like 20 million grunts all in a group, that seems like a pretty good place to use one.
Yeah, you're not wrong. Can we fly this? No, it's blown
Fly
up.
what?
There's a Banshee on the ground. And at some
Where?
point, we took down a Banshee over here.
I don't see it.
Fuck, I hit the wrong key! Sparingly. I'll do that more next time. Oh my god. Oh my god, what the fuck was that?
Oh my god. Who are you? Are you fighting ghosts over there? What's happening?
No, there's an elite hiding behind the tree.
Oh jeez.
He's still there.
Wait, what? I don't see him. Which tree?
That way, that way, that way.
He's not there for me, dude.
Really? Dude, he's hit me. He's gonna kill me.
There's nothing here, man. You're going crazy.
Don't let me die, man. I'm going crazy.
I don't know how to help you. There's no one here.
I need to go home, man.
Good chuck a grenade.
Wait, you're not getting hit right now?
Uh-uh.
You
No,
just
I'm
lost
fine.
your shield.
Not in my eyes.
He is right. You just died on my screen. I don't know if you're fucking with me or not.
I'm not fucking with you, dude.
Oh my
I'm
god.
right here. What do you mean I
I see
died?
you running towards the lake. Right? Do you see me? I'm behind you.
Oh,
Zach,
no.
You're right
Oh,
here.
no.
You're right here. Do you see me?
No, I'm not right there. I'm not fucking right there.
Alright, give me a second. It's
Is
okay.
this part of the experience?
It's yeah, maybe. I don't know.
You're literally fighting ghosts.
You give me the hardest time. I cannot kill this dude.
Maybe he's not real. Maybe he's a figment of your imagination.
He's definitely real. I saw him kill you, and he's almost killing me, and I killed him. So
I'm fine, dude. I've been fine. I'm just chilling.
if you want, meet me at the top of this hill.
I'm like right next to you.
All right, then
You
let's
don't
keep.
see me?
I see you, but you're hiding behind a tree. Are
What do
you
you
looking
mean
back
I'm
at-
hiding behind a tree? I'm behind you. I'm directly behind you, in your face, if you turn around.
Okay, let's go down this hill.
Yeah, I haven't. Yeah, I haven't.
You can't move still.
I can't move.
All right.
Except for to look around.
We might have to restart, but instead of fighting those people, we're just gonna speed run. Why the fuck was there an explosion?
Don't know.
Chief? Chief, can you hear me? At last. Are you all
Alright.
right?
We need to grab our shit and go.
What do you mean?
Where are you?
I'm in the same spot.
You're still at the tree right now? Oh fuck!
There's nothing we can do.
I'm still stuck where I've been stuck.
You just ran out of the pod and threw a flashbang, dude.
What do you mean? Nothing has changed for me.
Alright, we're gonna end it and pick this mission and start from there.